everyone, this is your Cloud News Roundup on LifterNews.com. I'm Shaylee Webb.
And I'm Avery Merrifield.
And this is a look at this week's top stories.
A new study finds that senior executives are increasingly looking to cloud to store and manage enterprise financial data. Market research firm Gartner says in its report that cloud deployments for financial management applications are up sharply in enterprises of all sizes this year. Specifically, Gartner and analysts note that cloud-related projects involving financial applications have grown from 36% in 2016 to 50% in 2017, which is about in line with Lifter Index.
That's right.
This trend is expected to continue, accelerating over the next 5 to 10 years, according to the report. Gartner surveyed 439 senior financial executives about information technology priorities and investments for the report. Read more about the study at lifternews.com.
Wall Street is delivering a thumping to Oracle's stock price after the company released guidance signaling slowing growth in its red-hot cloud computing business. Oracle's earnings for the first quarter of its 2018 fiscal year beat expectations, but the stock turned negative after the company gave guidance for the next quarter. Oracle told investors and analysts it expects cloud computing revenue to grow in the range of 39 to 43% from the year-ago quarter, a deceleration from 51% growth in the first quarter. The outlook sent Oracle stock tumbling more than 6% Friday after the company's shares hit a record high of $53.14 earlier in the week. Oracle blamed the weaker cloud forecast on the timing of bookings and software contract renewals. The company's stock closed at $48.33 Monday.
Microsoft is introducing a new computing service intended to reassure customers considering moving data and applications to the company's cloud that the switch will not leave them vulnerable to hacks, spying, or secret subpoenas. Microsoft is working with chipmaker Intel Corp to offer the cloud computing service touted as providing more powerful encryption to protect data from hackers and secret government data gathering. The new service is called Azure Confidential Computing, and Microsoft started offering it initially to customers as part of a preview phase last week.
Google and Spotify are teaming up to release a new set of open-source cloud security tools. The new toolkit is called Forseti Security. It is intended to protect Google Cloud Platform deployments in the wake of high-profile cases involving Amazon Web Services and Booz Allen Hamilton, where data stored on cloud servers was inadvertently exposed to the outside world. The code for Forseti is available at GitHub or at forsetisecurity.org.
Amazon Web Services is now authorized to host some of the federal government's most sensitive national security data. AWS recently received provisional authorization from the U.S. Department of Defense to host Impact Level 5 workloads, which are described as the Pentagon and National Security Agency's most classified information. AWS already hosts classified data for 17 agencies and is the third company to receive Impact Level 5 authorization along with Microsoft and IBM.
AWS made a switch this week from billing for every minute like Google and Microsoft to billing for every second of use. Amazon Web Services Chief Evangelist Jeff Barr says, "By billing usage down to the second, we will enable customers to level up their elasticity, save money, and consumers will be able to position themselves to take advantage of continuing advances in computing."
Well, that's it for today's Roundup. Want to talk to us about our cloud projections? Email us at ideas@lifternews.com.